Hey guys, please like and subscribe if you like this video. If you have any comments to help me out in the future of how I'm doing and what could I do to improve, please leave it down below. Hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you find it helpful. See ya! Hey guys, today I have a short and simple video for you today. It's pretty simple. It's just to show you how to install paint.net. So you're gonna go onto the website. I'm gonna leave the link down in the description below. After you get to the website, this is exactly what you should see. I'm not using an ad block or anything, so this is exactly how it should look on your screen. After you get to this page, just click on Get Paint, and then just click on the picture right here. After you click that, you should see a number here. If yours is different than mine, that means you're probably watching this later on. So that's the latest version. So just click on that, and it should start downloading. I already have it, so I don't need it, but you should get in your folder and just open it and just continue to install it like a regular program. Alright guys, have a nice one. Please like and subscribe.